Hi, and welcome to Text University. In this tutorial, we're diving into workflows under automations in Text App, your tool for automating repetitive tasks and connecting your favorite platforms, no coding required. Let's start by heading over to Automations, then click Workflows. This is where you can build automations that streamline your day-to-day, whether that's tagging chats, sending transcripts, syncing tools like Shopify, or nudging your team to follow up. To build your workflow from scratch, click the Add New Workflow button in the upper right corner. You'll be automatically taken to the Workflow Builder. There are two key components that build up a workflow. Add Trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your workflow. Add Action. An action is a task the workflow performs after it is triggered. Every workflow must have a trigger and at least one action, but you can add multiple actions if needed. Now, triggers and actions can be configured for text-powered products as well as third-party software. Some products can be selected as both triggers and actions, while others are available only for individual blocks. Let's manually create a workflow that sends a chat transcript in the chat after it has ended. Add a trigger, select Chats, and choose Chat Ended. Now, let's add our first action that retrieves the chat transcript. Click on Add Action, select Chats, and choose Get Chat Transcript. By default, we have Chat ID selected here. We can leave it. Let's create our second action that will send a message in the chat with the transcript information. Click the plus icon, select Chats, and choose Send a Message. By default, we have Chat ID. Then in Message, we want to click the plus icon and select Chat Transcript and go with Chat Transcript. We can edit the message to Chat Transcript. We can leave the visibility as public. Once everything is set up, name your workflow. Go live with your workflow by clicking the Publish button. Test it by starting a chat on your website and verifying that the transcript is automatically sent after the chat is closed. That's how you create a workflow manually. However, you can speed up this process and create workflows using our pre-built templates. There are a lot to choose from. The trigger and action blocks will already be pre-configured with default data. You can further customize them according to your needs. That's all you need to know about workflows to get started. They are simple to use, but packed with power. Automating the busy work and letting your team focus on what matters most, helping customers. If you have any questions, feel free to go to text.com and start a chat. See you in the next one.